Hi, this is Jim, your product expert with Sump Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video. Today we're going to touch about getting rid of standing water in your yard, around your garage, your field behind your house or next to your house, what you do to get rid of that water. So first of all, you definitely want to go with a sewage pump or a trash pump. Sewage pump being the one up here on the top right, trash pump, submersible. Both submersible pumps, trash pump on the bottom right. Either one is going to be a better choice for you than a regular sump pump. Reason being, outside, you've got debris you're dealing with in the elements. You've got maybe some leaves, twigs, whatever else might be getting in there, getting to that pump. If it starts pooling around the intake of that pump, your sump pump isn't designed to handle large solids. That can maybe go up to 3/8 or a half inch of solid intake, but you start getting a lot around that. It's going to start clogging. It'll start running the pump dry. It'll be going off on thermal overload. It'll be burning out. You'll be having problems. So anything outside, we suggest definitely a sewage or trash pump. Those will handle up to 2-inch solids. They have 2-inch openings on the bottom of the intake on both of these pumps. They require a 2-inch minimum discharge. So you have to pump and pipe them with 2-inch minimum pipe for your discharge, no matter how far or how high you're going. Obviously, that'll make a difference on distance and lift, but those are the routes you want to go. Now, as far as figuring out what size pump you're going to need, we have a formula we use to figure that out. It's basically how much square footage is being affected or pooling of water in that area. We multiply that by, can be 3.5, 4.5 inches. That's average rain per hour. So we take the square footage, multiply it by 4.5 or 3.5 or whatever that might be. In your part of the country, it may vary in some areas. Multiply that, divide it by 100, that'll give you a GPM rating for a pump. So if you look in this slide over here, this is a picture that was sent in by one of our customers looking for a pump. Out in the field, obviously they built a little ditch on the side of the house. They've got a little pit over here with a pump in there. And they're going to push that out maybe 50 to 100 feet away, because when it rains, you see in the bottom picture, that's what they ended up with. They end up with a little lake next to their house. Hopefully it's not draining into the house. At this rate, it doesn't look good, but this is what we're talking about square footage of affected area. How much does this get to be? Is this 100 square feet, 1,000 square feet, 10,000 square feet? And then you multiply that by what you might be seeing in average or worst case scenario in rainfall. Multiply that together, you get your square footage, or you get your total amount of water you're dealing with, divided by 100. That'll give you an average GPM for a pump rating that you can work with. So, is it a small area again? Is it a garage? Is it 100 square feet? You may only need 35 gallons a minute. You might need less than that. Most of your sewage and trash pumps are averaging about at least 60 to 70 gallons a minute. So at that rate, you're going to have at least a good level of protection for that flooding? Or is it something that might be 10,000 or 20,000 square feet where you might need 350 gallons a minute or 700 gallons a minute? You may need 2, 3, or 4 pumps situated in different areas to handle that. So again, this just gives you an idea of how we go about calculating those kind of scenarios. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. Check out our website, sumppumpsdirect.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, you all have a great day. Take care now. Bye.